Hello, let me quickly explain how you can charge your Redmi 14C. So as you know, in this device, in the package, we didn't actually have this charging brick. So you can actually use any charging brick from any other device. Like in my case, I'm using charger from Huawei. This is the old power adapter from my Huawei P30 Pro, so it's like 5 or even 6 year old, and it works fine with my Redmi 14C. You can even charge this smartphone without the charger. So what I mean, you have to actually simply connect this smartphone into any power supply. So as you can see here, I have my second phone, and when I'm gonna connect this cable inside, I will actually start charging my Redmi. Okay, it's actually right now actually start charging my Pixel, but let's do this one more time. First of all, we have to unlock the phone. There we go. Now we have to connect the cable and now connect this into the Redmi 14C. Okay, and now still start charging my second phone, but as a default it works like this, that okay, as you can see right now it actually works. Take a look. There we go. So now it is working. And you can also connect this phone, for example, into your into your PC, into your power bank, into your game console, whatever, into the power adapter. So there's like a lot of different methods to charge this device, but of course we can only use this wired cable. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.